Well guys, as of now, I surprisingly almost have 200 subscribers, so let's hope that this video will take us there. And also not to mention that my recent video actually did pretty decent, so without further ado, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple but delicious grilled cheese. Melt a quarter stick of butter and start spreading it on each slice of toast. The more butter, the greater the toast. Now you want to take some garlic/onion powder and you want to distribute it on the bread. If you accidentally spill too much, don't worry, just use a brush to evenly distribute it. Since we're doing toasting, add a little drizzle of olive oil. Spread it around on low to medium heat. Then place a piece of bread powder side down, and then drizzle some mayonnaise on top of it. Not sure what specific cheese I used, but Swiss or parmesan should do just fine. Place the other slice of bread on top, then after 1 minute flip it for a very light toast. After 1 minute you can flip it around again and now both sides are lightly toasted. To make the cheese melt, add 2 tablespoons of water around the sandwich and cover it with a lid. After at least 40 seconds, the cheese is going to be very melted and perfect for a grilled cheese. Since we cooked it on one side while the lid was on, flip it over and cook for 1 minute. I didn't record it, but you can take the sandwich aside onto a plate and add some more oil if there isn't enough. For the final toast, let it sit on one side for 1 minute. Then flip it over and toast it for another minute. Once you're done, transfer the grilled cheese to a plate. Now just slice the grilled cheese in half and you have a very beautiful grilled cheese. The pull is less visible the more longer you wait. For decoration, I just sprinkled a bunch of green onion on top. And there you go, a nice and simple grilled cheese. Hey guys, I'm back. So I have this amazing grilled cheese right here. I think I did 9 out of 10 on the presentation. This was really nicely done. The cheese actually melted pretty decently, although I didn't really get much of a cheese bowl. And yeah, overall it's pretty good, and I hope it tastes good as well. Put quite a bit of garlic powder, so let's see. That was really good. I give it like probably an 8, especially for the first time I've made this. Well, that's it, and hopefully we'll get 6 more subscribers and hit 200. Well, we'll see you as a 200 subscriber.